Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by blocking in the penguin with simple shapes so proportions stay cute. Draw a vertical oval for the body and overlap a smaller circle at the top. This gives you a clear head-to-body ratio. Once done, add a faint vertical guideline and a horizontal eyeline about 1/3 from the top of the head. This keeps the face centered. Make small marks where the flippers and feet will sit so you can refine them in the next step. Now refine the silhouette and features to turn shapes into a kawaii penguin. Add soft, rounded flippers on each side and 2 small semicircle feet directly beneath the body so the pose reads stable. For the face, draw 2 large circles for eyes, a tiny triangle or rounded beak, and small blush circles at half the eye size for cuteness. Once you like the placement, sketch the belly patch and carefully erase any construction lines, making sure the final lines remain smooth and intentional. Finish by inking and adding color so the penguin pops. Carefully trace your final lines with a thin pen. Once the ink is fully dry, erase pencil marks to keep edges clean. Apply flat color, charcoal or black for the body, white for the belly, and orange for beak and feet, then add a gentle shadow under the belly for depth. If your ink smudges, wait for full drying, lightly lift smears with a clean eraser, or mask and retrace the affected line to restore crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.